Hello everyone! Saan kayo chubang? Once again, this is Queen Simana with a capital Q and capital S. And yes mga best, welcome back to my channel. And for this episode, before I start it, I would like to encourage you to please click the subscribe button down below. And not only that, click also the bell button for you to be notified on the next videos to come. And without further ado, I would like to introduce to you this episode, which is going to be introducing to you a newest skincare brand in the market. They have just launched their products just recently, I think few weeks ago, and they have sent me a package which includes the soaps that they have or the soaps that they are selling for me to try. Well, I'm going to show it to you now. This is the newest Alma Maria skincare line. This skincare or these soaps, as you can see, there are a lot of colors. They have different variants. I'll be introducing them to you one by one. So guys, the first Alma Maria soap that I'll be introducing to you is the Alma Maria Soap Reveal. So this variant is in a yellow box and it is for exfoliating and refining. It says here that if you want to gently exfoliate your skin and if you want to reveal fresh skin from within, it is the soap for you. It also helps you tighten your pores and reveal a flawless complexion. So guys, if you want to get rid of the dead skin on your face, then I believe this soap is the right one for you because again, it is exfoliating and refining. So we're going to move on to our next soap variant. Next soap that I'll be introducing to you comes in a green box, and that is the Alma Maria Skin in Clarity variant. So this one is really great because it is for anti-acne already. It hydrates your skin and at the same time, it focuses on fighting the blemishes and get ridding of the dark spots all over your face. Guys, I think this one is really nice. If you have acne, of course, medyo prone tayo dun sa pagkakaroon ng mga dark spots or dun sa mga blemishes sa ating face, sa mga acne marks. Kaya naman, I believe this one is really great for you. Kung meron kayong mga concerns regarding those na nabanggit ko, dark spots, acne marks, scars, then I think this one will work well for you. Because again, this one is for blemish clearing. So yeah, there you go. This one is the Alma Maria Skin in variant Clarity. The next soap variant that I will be introducing to you is the Alma Maria Soap in Illuminate. This one is for extreme whitening because it gently exfoliates your skin to make it look clearer, firmer, and smoother. Mga best, I'm sure you are wondering kung ano po yung pagkakaiba nitong variant na to versus the other variants that I've mentioned a while ago, particularly yung ating Alma Maria Soap in Reveal because as I've said, pareho po silang nag-exfoliate. Well, if we are going to look closely, ang pagkakaiba po nila ay nandun sa kanilang main ingredients. Ang nakalagay po dito sa Alma Maria Soap Reveal, ang kanyang main ingredients ay yung tatlong acids which are kojic acid, lactic acid, and malic acid. It also has vitamin C, niacinamide, mulberry, papaya, and orange peel extract. So, yun po yung kanyang main ingredients nitong ating Alma Maria Soap in Reveal. While, dito naman po sa ating Alma Maria Soap Illuminate, meron naman po siyang extreme whitening effect na nagagaling doon sa beerberry extract which is powerful at lightening dark and age spots. Meron din siyang alpha-arbutin which reduces melanin production, carica papaya extract which purges dead skin cells in the outmost layer, and niacinamide which evens out skin tone hyperpigmentation. So mga best, doon po natin na-differentiate yung functions and yung gagamitan po natin nitong dalawang soap na ito. Kaya once again, there you have it, the Alma Maria Soap in Illuminate, the Extreme Whitening Soap. Guys, you know, I have yet to introduce to you two more soap variants from Alma Maria Skin. But before anything else, I'd just like to let you know how much each of these soaps cost in the market. Yes, you heard that right. It is now available in the market. But if you want to get it in a more convenient way, you can purchase it online. Later, I'll be placing the links on where you can get it on the description down below. Each of these soaps weighs 135 grams and each costs 195 pesos only. Yes, you heard that right again. It is only 195. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you want any of these, then you can place your order now. But I will introduce to you another variant which you may love. So here it is. This is the Alma Maria White Sublime variant and it comes in a pink box. It promotes ultimate glass skin and it gives you a whitening effect on your face. And not only that, this soap is actually promoting whitening and brightening of your skin. It helps achieve luminous glass skin effect. So to those who wants to get that Korean glowing look or the Korean glass skin, then I bet this one is something that you may want to try because it is the soap that can actually help you achieve that kind of skin or that kind of face that you want. Once again, the Alma Maria soap in White Sublime variant, the ultimate glass skin whitening soap. So if you want to purchase this one is also 135 grams, but way pricier than the other three that I have introduced to you just now because this one is 295 pesos in the market, suggested retail price. So yeah, if you want to purchase this, there you have it, the glass skin in the box. Yeah, so we're finally down to our last but definitely not the least Alma Maria Skin variant of soap, which is the tada! Age Block. So this one claims to have the Botox effect wrinkle control formula. And aside from that, it increases the collagen production in your skin, which makes it more elastic, and at the same time, it appears to be firmer and younger as well. So looking closely to the box, it states here that it is a non-invasive Botox-like giving soap which contains innovative neuropeptides, intense moisturizers with skin energizer without the frozen effect. So that's it. Kaya pala sinabi dito na Botox effect. It is something that can be an alternative to the invasive Botox or injections ng Botox sa face. Kasi ito can actually make your skin or your face look really young as if nagpa-Botox ka. Ito yung claims ng Alma Maria Age Block Soap. If you're going to ask me how much this one costs, well, aside sa maganda yung naibibigay niyang effect and maraming advantage ng soap na to, I think reasonable naman yung price niya. This one is 350 pesos sa market. So, kung gusto nyong iwasan yung magpaturok, kung gusto nyong iwasan yung mahal, at kung gusto nyong iwasan yung frozen effect sa face nyo, then I suggest try using this one. This one may be good for you. So we are done introducing to you the soaps, but I would like to unbox each and every one of them para maipakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano ba yung nasa loob ng Alma Maria boxes. First one is the Alma Maria Reveal Exfoliating Refining Soap. So eto siya. Yellowish yung color niya. And may naka-ukit. Nakalagay ay I am me, Alma Maria. Oh, very classy. Next would be the Alma Maria Clarity Blemish Clearing Formula Soap. So, there you have it. Teal naman siya. Teal yung color ng soap na Clarity. Next one is the Illuminate. And there you have it. Orange naman siya. Same din sa kanyang box. Orange din. I forgot to mention a while ago, habang ina-unbox ko yung mga nauna, ang babango nila and iba-iba yung scent nila. So this one is the White Sublime. Oh, I see. Meron siyang mga beads. So nice. And mabango din siya. I'm so excited to try them all. And last, but definitely not the least again, itong ating Age Block. This one is clear naman. Clear blue. Ang babango nila. There, can you see that? So there you have it. You have seen all the Alma Maria Skin soaps that are available in the market. But I am not done just yet because I still have one more product that I'd like to introduce to you, and that is the Alma Maria Goddess DIY Roller. You know, the first time I've seen this, I fell in love automatically because this is something that I don't see very often. It is really unique and I find it very classy. The first time I've seen this one, akala ko yung bato ni Sailor Moon. Well, kidding aside, ang ganda niya talaga. So, ayan guys, tatanggalin natin yung stand. This is the stand. And, ito yung holder. There you go. At kukunin din natin yung rose quartz na roller. So, I think this one should be here. Ayan. Guys, so ang ganda. May mga bato-bato pa. Oh, social. And you're going to put it here para nakastand siya ganyan. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Oh. Tapos, yung mga ibang roller mo, ilalagay mo dito sa gilid. Guys, this is really fancy. This one, tong ating main na roller, yung ating rose quartz, replaceable naman siya yung stem nito. You can replace it with the amethyst or the jade roller. So you can choose whether you'd like to use the jade, the rose quartz, or this one. So there you have it, the Alma Maria Skin Soaps and the Alma Maria Goddess DIY Roller. Stay tuned pa sa mga videos on the next few days to come. Thank you very much for always supporting. I'd like to take this opportunity para magpasalamat sa patuloy na pag-view ng mga videos ko. And I hope you keep on supporting by sharing my videos to those that you know that might be interested. And at the same time, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. And once again, this has been Queen Samana with the capital Q and capital S. Thank you so much, mga best. See you on the next video.